We're going to give it more oxygen. It'll be super sweet. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We're not really doing anything today, are we? Nope. I'm just making a video to let you guys know we haven't stopped making videos. There's just not really a video this week. We were out of town 2 weeks in a row for hockey. Friends came from out of town for Thanksgiving. We had a great time. I hope you guys had a great time. So we just didn't do any projects. We were going out to eat, hanging out with friends, going to the hockey games, going to practices. So that was really it. I am making a quick video, like I said, to give you a quick update. We're still doing stuff, and we're going to keep doing stuff. It's winter now. There's some snow on the ground. It's cold outside, 13 degrees. We're going to move to some indoor stuff. We need tool organization. So we're going to do some shop stuff next. We need some cabinetry, a workbench, places to put our tools. We still have tools in bins. We still have tools out in the shed. We need to change that so that we can do some more indoor projects in our climate controlled area. So we just need some better organization. So that's what we're going to jump on next. The boy also wanted to make sure I let you guys know, super happy. We passed 100 subscribers. Y'all were here first. Thank you to all of you that got us over the 100. We're going to keep going. We're going to keep making more videos. But he wanted to make sure that I let you know. He said we're supposed to make a video with 100 subscribers, 500 subscribers, then 1,000. And then I guess we can wait till 1 million. Yeah, I don't know. That's his plan. But thank you for over 100. I think we're at 115 now. I don't know what it'll be at when I put this up. But yeah, I hope you had a good holiday. We're coming into the holiday season. I hope you have a good holiday season coming into it. We're going to get some indoor projects done here in the garage so that once the holiday's over, we're going to get on the Miata next. We're going to start some rust repair so it can be ready to have paint done. And we're probably going to do a little bit of engine stuff with it so it's ready as soon as it's time to start driving cars outside again. But thank you for being here. Thank you to those that have subscribed. If you just stopped by and saw this and you're not subscribed, get down there and subscribe. We appreciate it. You know, if you want to help contribute, keep our video on the algorithm and rolling. Get down in the comments and write where you're going to be for Christmas. You know, are you overseas? Or what state are you in the United States? Going to families, going to friends, let us know. The boy would really like that. He'd think that's really cool. But that was it. Quick update. Let you know what's happening in our world. And we're going to get right back to working on some stuff here after this weekend, even though we're going again next weekend. But everyone else is gone, so I get some stuff done during the week too, and we're going to start working on the shop here. Remember, you can make excuses or you can make results. You can't make both.